What's up, y'all? Just wanted to chime in here just with a quick update. I just been grinding at work, y'all. Grinding. Haven't been able to do a whole lot with the car, but I gotta make that money. So just been grinding at work, working a lot of hours. I'm on a quick break right now, but I gotta go back a little later, and I'll be back there early tomorrow for most of the day. Then I got an obligation after that. And then Sunday, I got some things I got to do to get ready as I have an upcoming trip coming up next month. I'm going to a buddy's wedding in Mexico, so that's going to be much needed because all these hours I'm putting in at work. And early next week, I'm going to be putting in a lot more hours. But come middle of next week, man, I'll be in Mexico on the beach, just chilling, man, sipping lightly sipping on brew, man. I'm not gonna mess with the hard alcohol, nothing. I'm just a social drinker, just to like to sip. So I'm not gonna get how I was last week. If you guys watched my video, I was not feeling very well from a previous night, and that alcohol did not sit well in me. So just gonna be chilling, staying low key, nothing crazy. But anyway, so I'm gonna be going to Mexico next week for a wedding. So it won't really be too much footage on the car. I haven't been doing too much to it, just a little bit here and there. I ordered some new bolts for the bucket seat conversion. Just got those in yesterday, put those in, and they fit well. So I think I got the seat brackets and everything mocked up pretty good on the Chevelle here. I also put the console in and all that. You can't really see it right now because it's super dark in there, but I put the console in to see kind of how it relates to the seat brackets, and it looks pretty good. What I did find out, though, if you guys knew, that I got a bunch of parts from this older guy who gave me a bunch of Chevelle parts, and he actually gave me the horseshoe staple shifter that you see in these Chevelles that also come in like I think they came in Monte Carlos and Camaros, but the one that he gave me was for Camaro, but he said it could still work for a Chevelle, which it probably could, but the bracket, the floor bracket piece is different than the one for the Chevelle, and from what I've seen, they don't sell that piece separately. You have to buy the whole shifter assembly together, and I tried to fit it, the Camaro horseshoe style shifter, with this, and it would require me to make another bracket for it, and I just don't know if I want to go through that, so we'll see. Worst case, because I'm still undecided if I want to use my pistol grip ratchet shifter or the OEM style shifter. Worst case, you can buy the whole assembly for like 125 bucks. So since this one is OEM, I thought that maybe I would try to sell it and then use that money to buy a shifter, or just buy the OEM shifter and then just sell this and try to recoup some of my money. I don't know, man. I might just use the pistol grip style shifter. It's a TCI shifter. I bought it for super cheap, and it's really nice, and it's already together. It has the cable and the brackets and everything that I needed for the shifting linkage and all that. So I might just use that with the OEM console. We'll see. But other than that, I probably won't get much done. I'm gonna try to clean the transmission and paint that as I'm gonna start putting the whole drivetrain in the car and kind of getting it ready so I can get it started and everything and moved around. So we'll see though, but probably won't be a whole lot of footage in regards to the car coming up. I'm gonna try to do a video or two in Mexico just so you guys can kind of see where I'm at and whatnot. So but anyways, that's it, y'all. That's it. So just wanted to chime in, see what's up, or say what's up at least, and holla at y'all. I've been busy grinding, trying to work, make this money so I can continue to fund my build and continue to grow a following for you guys, or and add more footage for you guys and more content and kind of get this out. So anyways, I'll holla at y'all. I'm gonna go get something to eat, then head to work, and then do it again in the morning. All right, I'll holla. Stay tuned for more.